movement. You won't be talking much in a little while.
I just feel like it was only 5 minutes because it was like, I was in the chair and I was like, I'm getting tired. And then I felt them doing something with my teeth, and then I think I felt the stitches, I think. And it was like poking me in my teeth, and I was like, oh. And
More